Hello, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. If you're using TikTok and want to keep your favorite sounds private, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure only you can see your saved sounds on TikTok using your Android phone. First, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, tap on the Account option. Now, click on Privacy. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Favorite Sounds and tap on it. Finally, turn off the option that says Make Public. This will ensure that your favorite sounds are private and only visible to you. That's it. You've successfully made your favorite sounds private on TikTok. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks.